Cuddle in, kids. Olivia by Ian Falconer. This is Olivia. She is good at lots of things. Olivia lives with her mother, her father, her brother, her dog Perry, and Edwin the cat. Dress up extraordinaire. In the morning, after she gets up and moves the cat, and brushes her teeth and combs her ears, and moves the cat, Olivia gets dressed. She has to try on everything. Olivia is all about red, black, and white. She has long pink ears. She loves accessories. Pink piggy tights and more accessories. Craft time. On sunny days, Olivia likes to go to the beach. Last summer, when Olivia was little, her mother showed her how to make sandcastles. She got pretty good. Kinetic Sand. Let's make a sandcastle. Make sure you pack the sand nice and tight. Three towers. Two walls. Small tower. Fancy turret. Oh no, our tower's leaning. Let's build a road.